Hello, friends of Tajfun, from Ecomondo exhibition 2025. We proudly represent you a new member of Tajfun family group, 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵-800L.
The chipper comes in several different configurations, the PTO like this one, the diesel engine, electrical motor, or truck mounted. The main focus during the development of the machine was to design it for easy maintenance and, most importantly, to ensure the production of high-quality wood chips. The drum bearings are positioned separately from the chipper housing, providing easy maintenance. At the back of the machine, we have a fan powered by hydraulic system. Its speed can be adjusted as needed. At the side of the machine, with only 2 bolts and assistance of hydraulic cylinders, the entire panel can be opened, enabling quick screen replacement and easy maintenance. And we also have a little secret hidden behind this cover, but we will talk about it next time.